In this video, we're gonna try to add some variants to this text input field, and we will be adding some animations, or you can call that prototyping. To add a variation to existing component, we can select the component and choose this diamond outside inside plus icon. What it does, it creates a component, but the only downside is these two components are linked, so when you change something in one of them, it changes the base component as well. And you should, to prevent that, you should select the component and you should select the what property you're going to change and choose this detach property icon. So let's call it active, and it will be showing this cursor. Then we are going to change the color. After selecting it, color goes to primary. Let's choose this icon, this color right here, and the color of this text and icon will be the same. Then let's add a background shadow to this, so it's like it shows that it's selected. We can change the color to this as well and lower the opacity. 15 is enough usually, and it looks good. Now all we have to do is to add prototype animation. Let's select the first one, default, and let's call it active. Let's go to the prototype section. When we go to the prototype section, there will be this plus icons appear in every side of the component. It doesn't appear when we are in the design section. Let's take this one and connect to the second variant. When we select this connection, there will be this menu appearing. There we can choose the call we are expecting, like on tab, on drag, while hovering, mouse enter, touch down, things like this. And we can even choose after delay if we want to make some sort of animations. We need on tab and on tab instruction, and it's set to change to option by default because it's a component, and this is what we need. We can choose the animation style we want: instant, dissolve, and smart animate. There are lots of other options like linear, ease in, ease out, custom bezier. In the custom bezier, you can choose the style you want, but I like to choose ease in out animation, and the animation time can be changed as well. Let's choose this one for now, and we want to go back to the previous one when we unselect it. Thing on tab, on drag, after delay. Let's choose after delay because there is no option like when user taps other element or things like this. So as it's just a prototype, we won't be creating a typing experience. And let's choose the delay to 3 seconds. It's measured in milliseconds. Milli means 10 times to 10 to the power of minus 3. Like it's like a milligram, which is 1/1000th of a gram. So 3000 milliseconds becomes 3 seconds when you convert it to the seconds. Now we can use this and see how it looks. When you press option, there will be an this icon, this mouse appears. What this mouse does, it creates an instance of a component. That means the instance is like what we call a reference to the component. It's an object because we can't use this component directly in our project. Let's go to the prototype menu. Let's add a starting point here. Starting point is needed to render the prototype, but let's say it's flow 1, and now you will see what I mean by prototype. It basically creates this real screen, I guess. See, when I tap, it changes to typing state like active. Probably I'll be making the stroke a little bit bolder there in design section. Stroke, where is the stroke? Layer, color selection, effect, export, constraints, auto layout, variants. Does this one have a stroke? Doesn't. Oh, probably this one. Let's make it 2. Yeah, this one for sure. And as you can see, it's bolder. Now we have text field with animation. In the next lesson, we try to create these buttons right here, and I think we are good to go.